I'm gonna go and pick up a new bike. It's new bike day, come on! It is an absolute thing of beauty. Honestly, I'm buzzing for this bike.
We kind of touched on it then, but you are, I would say, like the black belt of builders, basically.
Hello everybody, I'm Ben Foster, TheCyclingGK. Welcome to another video. Today is another one of them special days. Christmas is very soon. It's literally just round the corner, right? But I honestly think that this day is better than Christmas Day. I don't think it can be topped, honestly. Today, again, I'm gonna go and pick up a new bike. It's new bike day, come on. Right, this bad boy is a new, oh my God, it is absolutely nailing it down. Have a look at the state of this. Ugh. Right, so this one is a new Specialized S-Works Diverge. It is an absolute thing of beauty. Honestly, I'm buzzing for this bike. Gravel bike, it's incredible. It goes everywhere, off-road, gravel, dirt, road, whatever you want, this thing does it. And I'm here, Velo Atelier, to see Lee, the main man, the black belt of bike fixers, because he has got, oh my God, it is so wet outside. Because he has got my bad boy bike built up for me, right? Velo Atelier.
Come on in.
He's in, here we go. You ready for this?
Oh, there she is. Hello, mate. Oh, wow, look at her. Yes. Mate, she is a thing of beauty.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh, she's better than good, she is. Wowee. Those components are a thing of beauty, aren't they? Look at that chain. What's that? Is that iridescent, that?
They call it oil can or oil slick.
Oh, it's very slick, that's all I know. Look at that, we've got some ceramic speed, jockey wheels, SRAM Eagle cassette bad boy, SRAM Red components, wireless shifting. Oh, that's my phone. Right, I'll give you a very quick run through of the features of this bad boy. First of all, have a look at this internal storage. They call it SWAT storage. It is massive, honestly. I honestly think you could get a Subway footlong in there. I'm not even joking. I think I might even try it one time as well. We've got this bad boy, so that just clips off. Fully waterproof as well when it's going. We have got the Future Shock 2 suspension, so I don't know if you can see that, but kind of adds a nice little bit of suspension to when you're riding. What have we got? We've got the dropper post on that, so this little bad boy here, you click it while you're riding and that will send it. Have a go, look. Oh, look, and then to pop it back up again. Say what? Okay. That is sweet. What we got? We've got the SRAM red wireless shifting. We've got obviously the Zip 303 wheels, they are a thing of beauty. The tubeless gunwall tyres, ceramic speed, jockey wheels, they are a thing of beauty also. We've got the SRAM 42 1x front chain set. That's about your lot. That is not a bad bike, to be fair. How was it to build?
Good. Yeah, it went together lovely. Some really nicely thought out little details, especially with the cable routing, which
yeah, the cable routing
is always the hardest bit of these builds, but really nice.
Look at that, you can just see the cables go inside there. That's pretty sweet. Right, Lee, quickly though, can you tell me, so you were the guy that did my tarmac build, yeah? The blue SOX tarmac build. We kind of touched on it then, but you are, I would say, like the black belt of builders, basically. You tell us what your qualifications, what your degrees, if that makes sense, of building bikes is.
In the last video you mentioned that I was a level 4 fitter. That refers to my bike fitting. So I'm a member, in fact I'm the vice president of the International Bike Fit Institute. And
I didn't even know there was such a thing.
And basically that provides tiered standards for fitters, so that it regulates the industry. It goes tier 1 for kind of beginning fitters up to tier 4 for people like me. And there's, I don't know, there's something like 20, 25 level 4 fitters in the world.
In the world? That's outrageous. So basically, if somebody wants to become a serious tyre fitter, you're the guy that gives the test.
We are looking at kind of how the education system properly works here.
So basically, I've just got one of the best bike builders in the world at Velo Atelier to build this absolute weapon of a bike. Thank you so much. I love it to bits. I cannot wait to ride it. I was going to ride it home today, by the way. I swear on my life I was going to ride it home today. I know it's raining, but I do not care about rain. He took so long to build the thing, right? He took so long. And I haven't got no lights, so I've got a sticker in my car, but that's fine because at least the first ride isn't the ride where she gets absolute filth and absolute mud and dirt everywhere. Even though I don't mind that, it would be nice to get her home first and just sort of look over her and make sure she's all warm and settled in tonight. I'm gonna go put her in the car. You are an absolute top man. I will put a link in the description below this video for the shop. So anything you need, bike building, bike parts, bike painting, he even paints bikes, this guy, he's a joke, he does everything. I'll put it all in the description, go on the website, have a goose, he's your main man, okay? Right, I'm putting her in the car, let's go. Right, I've got this little beauty, have a look at her, all tucked away nicely in the back. There she is. I'm gonna take her home, probably put her in the living room and look at her all night, obviously. Anyway, thank you for watching, as per always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get in the comments, tell me what you think of my new baby. I'll see you all soon.